This is Shur on Tefilla. We are at the end of the Tachanun of Monday and Thursday. And it's interesting the way that we finish up the Tachanun of Monday and Thursday. We say, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, lo le'ma'anenu, la le'ma'anoch. That's HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's not because of our sake, it's because of your sake. In other words, we are concerned and worried about Chilul Hashem. Because HaKadosh Baruch Hu called his name on the Chal Israel. And we are in Galut such a long time, and people say, where is the God of Jews? And that's Chilul Hashem. Therefore, here at the end of the Tachanun, we ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu, do it for your own sake. Do, act. And don't destroy the memory of remnants. Because to you long our eyes. Because you are a king of gracious and merciful you are. It's interesting. What is our eyes open for? It's very important. A lot of times there is a Mishnah. The Mishnah says that there is an animal that lives as a coexistence in water and in dry land. Now we have to find out to be machshir, this animal should have the simonim of the fish or simonim of animal on dry land. And that the Mishnah says, when Tana in the Mishnah says that we have to attack that animal and see where does it go by the attack. If it goes in the water, there will be the simonim of water. If it goes dry land, we need the simonim of dry land. What does that mean? That means to say, when a person is attacked, the essence of a person will be shown. That is the essence of a person. Person might feel long-term in life, 120 years, that every day we say, he feels that he's longing for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And he's thinking that Hashem is the source of existence. But in reality, it might not be. Just, convincing himself or is talking. But in reality, when something happens, where do you go to? Who is your addressee? Whether you go to everything, right? And Hashem is just a formal resource for you, in other words, just on the paper, or in reality, you rely on HaKadosh Baruch Hu. I know there was an earthquake in Turkey and Syria, still now over 7,000 people died. And this is a message that we need merit, we need zechut. People, before the earthquake, the person has mentioned everything, and all of a sudden he got nothing. That shows that, how about what are we relying on? What could we rely on? You feel that we could rely on this, and on a lot of security that we built up, or it's an illusion of reality. As a person has to really be honest with himself that the one that we are relying on is HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Not just, like Persian Taruf b'konim b'Hashem. No, that doesn't work like that. In essence, in the very bottom of our heart, we have to rely on HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And they ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu at the end, you should remember our testimony, Hashem. It was like twice with love. What we say, Shema Israel, Hashem. Here, Israel, our God is one. That oneness of HaKadosh Baruch Hu means that there is no resource, there is nothing. The only one that helps us is HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's why we say Shema twice a day to bring out this nekuda to ourselves. That whatever that we rely on is the illusion of reality. It's not real. The real reliance that we have is Hashem Echad. That is our lifetime. Lifetime is taking layers out more and more to realize that Hashem is Echad and Hashem is only source of our existence. Whatever that happens in the world also is there to help us out to get to this destination of Hashem Echad. That's the last word that we say in Tachanun on Thursday, Monday, and Thursday. So Hashem should be zoche to Mekabel HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the Yichud of Hashem.